Hi, I'm Bartosz from the Stream. Let me start with a simple question. If you make products, food, cosmetics, household goods, and you sell them in stores like Walmart, Tesco or Rossmann, you want to know one thing. How are my products selling? Which stores, which weeks, which countries? That data exists. Getting it into your system smoothly, that's the hard part. And that's what we solve. What you see here is a demo built on public data, datasets that anyone can download for free from Kaggle. I want to be clear about that from the start. Everything here is open, public data, no client data, nothing private. We use these datasets because they look like real retail data. Walmart, Favorita, UK online retail, scanner data from Germany and Austria, all public. Now we are going to add a new data source, Rossmann Germany. Daily store sales, also a free public dataset. In real life, this step takes 5 to 7 days, because someone has to look at this file, figure out what each column means, match it to your system, write the setup, and get it running. Watch what AI agents do instead. So let me use this chat box here. So add new data source, Rossmann Germany, daily store sales, CSV, SFTP delivery, contains store, day of week, date, sales, customers, open promo. So let me run this agent in the loop. So the system starts right away. What we can see here, we can see everything AI is doing step by step, live. First, it reads the description, it finds the source name, the file format, and how the data is sent. It matches the columns to our system, so apparently Rossmann calls one column store, we call it store ID. The AI works that out on its own, not by matching names, but by understanding what the column means. Date becomes period and date. Sales becomes sales value in local currency. 7 fields all matched automatically, as we can see here. It also checks whether the data contains any personal information. Names, emails, home addresses. Rossmann store sales data is clean, so no personal data. The system confirms this on its own. And here, this setup file is being written, everything the data pipeline needs to run, ready to use. Look at the dashboard on the left side. Rossmann is now there, the source is live. So total time 1 hour 45 minutes to go instead of 5 to 7 days. That's the real difference. If you sell through large store networks, your data analysts spend a lot of time of waiting. Waiting for new data source to be set up, waiting for problems to be fixed, waiting for answers. This platform removes that wait. Data analysts can focus on their actual work. New sources go live in minutes. The business gets answers faster. And everything you just saw built on public data, so there is no doubt about where it comes from. Thank you for watching.